moving some chicken tractors. It's supposed to be a hot sunny one today, so I'll make sure I give them some shade, some extra shade. What is it, like October 2nd or 3rd, and it's going to be 90 degrees today? That's it. That's how easy it is to put your chickens on fresh ground and keep them safe inside of a chicken tractor so the predators, the aerial predators, the ground predators don't get them. It seems like a lot of people that just look at it and say, oh, that's what they live in, they don't get much room. But I do that at least once a day. So they're on a different patch of ground at least once a day at this stage in their life. When they were younger, it was about every other day because they didn't eat up as much as the ground. They didn't lay in their own manure as much. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Pull them along, let them get another patch of grass, fresh area they don't have to lay in their own manure. Good to go. All right, y'all. Later.